Good evening, all. And yes, Nafis, hi. She is a very good, very, very dear friend of mine, and I still remember she giving me a call कि अरे मैं सोच रही हूँ हीली ले लूँ तुम्हारे तुमने यूज किया था मैंने देखा था तुम्हारा टेस्टिमनी तो मैंने कहा ले लो you will not regret and I'm sure I mean hearing her testimony today I felt so proud of her and I love you Nafis and yes, I'm Rita Wali. I'm from Kolkata and I've been using Healy for almost a year now. Not completed 12 months, but yes. And I was introduced to this device through by Pragya, and she doesn't know me at all. We don't know each other at all, but she connected me through Facebook, and yes, and I bought it from her. I loved it from the day one. She has been always with me, guiding me, and what all I have been using. I am a student. At this age of 50. I am still studying. I'm doing my so I was giving my exams. Whenever I give my exam, I call her up कि मुझे पढ़ना है. So she said, "You have the biggest device in Healy and the Mag Healy. उसका study चलाओ को तुम्हारा सब हो जाएगा." And every time I sit for my exams, I am hyper with my exams. I just get so because at the age of 52, your memory gets somehow diverse and it doesn't take in so much. So I had a very big exam end of May. I was very scared. It was an international certification, so I called up Pragya, मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा. So she said, "Don't worry, you do this and तुम्हारा हो जाएगा." And I tell you, a book of 200 pages I studied in 2 days, and I got 65% out of 100. I'm so happy, so happy about it. It's an international certification. I'm so glad that I could do it, and thanks to Pragya about it. The most what I do regularly is I every day I open my Healy, I do my analysis, and whatever comes with me, I do all of them. But regularly, I have been lately doing is the harmony, brain harmony, because of my education and this thing. Secondly, I have been using the skin harmony also because I have skin problem. Though last time I had shared, my skin has really improved from the beginning, the day I had started. I had a nerve problem on my lips this side, which I think I had shared last time. You can check it. I don't know. Even that thing has also cured a lot. So I had a drooping lips on from my left hand side, which is now getting cured. So I use the skin harmony, the nervous system also, and the chakras, which I really enjoy doing the chakras, especially when I do my meditations. I do the entire tam jam. I have those chakra wala candles, and I switch on the Mag Healy, the Chakra Healy, and everything, and then I sit. It's amazing. It gives you a lot of enthusiasm, happiness once you get over it. Secondly, I just want to say one more thing is that whenever I'm down, whenever I'm feeling very upset, it's the aura which I do at night, 4 hours, 4.5 hours ka jo hai, and it really helps me. When I get up, I'm absolutely fresh. I feel nice. These two things, few things which I do regularly on me and myself, and then of course my daughters are now addicted to it. So whenever they have some cold, mama thand lag gaya thoda laga do, so I would do that on her, and she'll say कि आज मेरा mood ठीक नहीं है, so please switch on to do the Healy on me. So I when they really think कि पता नहीं some Healy is some magic, and I said yeah, you can use it as much as you can, and I do it for with them, and I'm so glad. And I have to thank you again for the thank Healy again because it's so helpful for my pets. I use it on my pets too. I have seen my pets really improve from bad health and bad stomach, and they're vomiting. I use it on them. They improve very fast. So yes, the other few things from my side. Healy always brings in a lot of miracles every day, small, small, small. अभी लिखने बैठ जाएंगे, so every day we have to write, gratitude journal for Healy every day. Then only I think I can bring up a big book in front of you every time when you have this confession or rather sharing of this testimonial nights. So thank you so much. And